Purpose given to the ones who know, working with the meaning still untold, living with the version yet intended, something never really sold. You were given water and you wound up dry. Know this one thing, everything will be alright. Now take your time. You will find there's a light outside lines. Look inside, you will find it's all right. There were a season, time, and place. There are many reasons. Oh, outer space. Learn another lesson. Never win a race. Never jump ahead in line. Don't be driven by the lack of time. Know this one thing, everything will be alright. It'll be alright. Oh, it'll be just fine.
That was beautiful, brother.
Oh, thank you.
So, in the next little bit, Saunders is going to play a few of his records. What are we about to listen to, brother?
All right, I believe what we've got coming up here is a little ditty from the Andes, a little bit of Peruvian flute music right there. It's an homage to the mighty condor. I believe the song is titled El Condor Pase.
It's maybe one of the heaviest album covers I've ever seen.
Oh yeah, he's got all kinds of feathers on his head right there.
Dude, that is solid. Let's do it, Daddy. Wax Spinner's Serenade. What you want to do next?
Well,